How to convert 3G to 4G on Android without root. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start with our singing time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on a device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon to open up settings. You can also open settings, go to the app drawer. Now find settings application. Now simply tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on mobile network. Now tap on your SIM card. Now on this page, simply tap on preferred network type. Now once you tap on it, a page like this will appear. Now on this page, from 3G or 2G to select 4G/3G/2G. Now once you tap on it, 4G network will be selected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.